Hi everyone, if you're thinking of trying out the features of iResonate and you want to explore all the features before going for yearly subscription, or maybe you just want the refresh guide to all the features which you have seen in demo, this video is for you. So in this video we'll try to see how you can begin your journey on iResonate. So let's see. So if you go to iResonate.com, you'll see a screen like this, but you have to just click on this button, Discover Your Brand Voice. So let's click on this and you will see this screen, Discover Your Brand Voice. In this screen, you can either give the website, your website, or you can give some description about your product, that how your product is different. But in this demo, I'm going to take an example of one of my prospects. They are actually into Ayurvedic wellness products. So I'm going to give their website's URL here. And we'll try to click on this button, generate. So if you see, the brand voice has been generated for this brand. For your brand, the parameters will be different. Of course, the structure will remain same, but your content focus, your target audience, everything will be different for your brand. So the niche has been explained here. They are premium Ayurvedic health and wellness products, and what is their objective of creating content, which is grab attention, which has been chosen by the platform. It could be anything, create interest and desire, and then the trigger purchase action. But if you're starting your journey of content creation, it's advisable that you should always have grab attention or create interest and desire as one of the option, as an objective of your content. And although you can definitely change it if you do not want this. The content focus in this case is promoting the effectiveness of Ayurvedic solutions and managing lifestyle diseases and enhancing overall well-being. Their target audience is health conscious individuals seeking natural remedies and disease management. So this is the target segment, and their age lies between 25 to 55. Their interest lies in Ayurvedic medicines and natural health and fitness and wellness. The geography is shown to be India as of now for this product. Now their brand promise is their products are 100% pure, natural and crafted with care from authentic Ayurvedic ingredients to promote overall wellness. So this is their brand promise. Now there are 3 other parameters, which is like your values, the change you desire, and the ultimate goal. These parameters are needed so that you are able to connect with your audience at an emotional level. You have to resonate with your content, should resonate with your audience. So for that, these parameters are needed so that you are shown to have a mission around your business also. You're not just there here for profit making, you have some desire or change in mind, which is your mission. So so with this, this becomes your brand voice. And if you do not like any of those things, or if you want to add any extra thing on any of the parameter, you can do that. You feel free to add, modify, delete also certain things if you do not find them aligned to your mission, your values. Feel free to do that. But if you want to give AI another chance to create this brand voice again, you can click on this button. This button will regenerate all the parameters once again, and then any number of times you can click that until you are satisfied. So once you are satisfied, then you can click on this button, liked it. So this is to tell that yes, your brand voice is okay. Now my content creation should happen according to this brand voice, and this brand voice will become as the foundation of your content journey. So let's click on this button, liked it. So now it is asking me to save this as a brand voice so that I can reuse or reuse later. So let me give this a name. I've given a name to this brand voice, and I'll hit on this button, continue. So once I click on this, you will be shown a screen like this because you do not have any campaign created. You are, for the first time you will be creating any campaign. So now to create my first campaign, I will try to click on this button. So this will create my campaign. So now to create my campaign, it shows me that the campaign's date starts from 8th of June, and the brand voice, which has not yet been selected, I have to select the brand voice which I have just created for this particular brand. So I'll select this as my brand voice, and it says that brand voice updated, which means now this content campaign will be revolving around this brand voice. Now let me close this, and I can give my campaign's name. For example, campaign 1. This is my first campaign. So the difference is, this is the campaign which has the calendar shown, like my current week and my upcoming week, and you see that Monday to Saturday, the second week, and then third week. You can, if you want to scroll like this, you can go, but if you see that, since the total weeks of my campaign has been selected as 1, if I want, I can give it 2 weeks or 3 weeks. So as I do that, the weeks will be added. So currently this is the first week, and I will have to hit this button, update. Now once update has been clicked, now my weeks have been added. Now if I see, this is my first week, this is my second week, and this is my third week. Now on the fourth week, if you see from Sunday, it has grayed out. That means here I cannot create any content. But if you see in rest of the days, I have this plus icon, which means that these are the days where my campaign will be running. On these days, my content will be published on social media. Now let's start to create content for my day 1, which is Monday. I'm going to create content from Monday, and on Monday I will be clicking on this plus icon. So once I click on this, I will be shown post types, which are various types like post, blogs, infographics, polls and survey, story, reels, carousel. And then below that I see the categories, which means that there are various types of categories. The first category is educate, the second one is influence, the third is engage. So there is significance of each category. Educate is where you want to give value to your audience. Influence is you want to show yourself as an authority, and engage is wherein you want your audience to sneak peek into your life, behind the scenes, some announcement, certain success stories, some events you manage, testimonials. So this is to give them the progress you are making in your entrepreneurial journey. So this gets a lot of engagement. So there are various categories. You have to pick on any of those. So let's say for first type of post, I am going to choose the post category, and I will choose educate as my category, and I will pick tips and tricks as my one of the post category. Now I will be shown certain suggested topics which I can show you. These are the suggested topics. Transform your mornings, simple Ayurvedic rituals. So just remember that this brand voice is of a Ayurvedic wellness products brand, which actually for them the suggested topics are uncover the ancient wisdom, unexpected ways to balance your mind and body, discover the hidden secrets of nature, daily habits that combat lifestyle diseases. So let's take this as the topic. Now I will, okay, so this is the topic. If I want, I can modify the topic also. I can change it, I can update it, I can give my entire new topic, but let's say we'll take this as the topic, and then here I can choose the number of words for my post. So an ideal post should have 200 to like 210 words or 180 to 200 words. So we'll pick that range only. And this is the LinkedIn format, which means that LinkedIn supports posts which are of short sentences and they have enough line breaks so that it's readable by even a 12-year-old. So we are following that format. If you do not want that, you can remove that, but for this video I'm picking this as my format, and I will now click on this button, generate. Okay, so if you see that this is my post, and what I meant by LinkedIn format, it will be having short sentences. Reveal nature's secrets, daily habits to fight lifestyle diseases. How often do you feel drained by daily stress? So this is like a post which asks questions, that this is shown as a hook, which is to let your audience create some type of curiosity so that they are reading your post. So this is a hook, and then rest of the content is designed or formatted in such a way that which is easily readable, and it's bullet formatted already, so you don't have to do anything. The final part is your call to action, which is you are asking directly to your audience that what you want to do. Okay, so we are asking them to comment and connect or collaborate. So this becomes my CTA. If I want to add anything, I can add that. And finally my first post is ready. Now comes the media part. In media, what I have to probably I have to either I can pick some picture or some video from my PC, or I have another choice that I can pick some relevant images as per my topic from either from Pexel or from Canva. So I will pick from Pexel, for example. Let me show you. So do you want your Pexel account? Yes, so let me link my Pexel account. So this actually means that I have to link my Pexel and Canva and rest of the platforms also. So in my next video I am going to show you how we can link all the social media platforms and how we can link the external sources from where I can select my media. So we'll do that in our next video. Stay tuned.